Hello guys, dinner time tonight. This is my first time kong gumawa ng puchero. There you go, di ba? May banana. Ang napanood ko ay mayroong, instead of carrots, ay mayroong, sweet potato. Ayan. Sweet potato, may garbanzos. Meron din yang, tawag doon, yung pork and beans, kumbaga. Pero dito, ano lang siya, baked beans ang tawag. Wala siyang pork. So, yun. Tapos, may cabbage. Yay, yumminess. Dahil, napakarami niyang gulay. May pechay na, may cabbage pa. So, hindi na kami magra-rice. Tapos, ito yung carbohydrates, yung kamote. Di ba? Kompleto na siya. So, ganyan na lang. Tapos, meron pang, yung garbanzos at saka yung, pork and beans na nilagay. Yan. Yum, yum. First time kong gumawa. Nagustuhan naman yung happiness, kaya okay lang. Wagi. Wagi. Itong aking saging, walang mabilan dito ng saba na yung bang fresh. Kaya, ang ginawa ko, bumili ako ng frozen na saba. Tingin ko na yun luto na yun. Parang nilaga. Anyway, walang ibang choice. So, ang ginawa ko, nilagay ko sa microwave at dinefrost ko. Hinati ko ng ganyan, palapad, tapos pinirito ko. Pwede rin naman. Banana pa rin. Oh, yumminess. There you go. Kompleto siya. Oh, I did not drink the
oil.
the olive oil.
Okay.
Anyway, I'll have it tomorrow. Yes, guys, umiinom kami ng 3 tablespoons ng extra virgin olive oil. 1 in the morning before anything else, pagkagising. Tapos, 1 after lunch, like in the middle of lunch and dinner. Tapos, 1 after, before going to bed. So, yun. Search nyo na lang. Search nyo na lang kung para saan yun. Pero, ang extra virgin oil ay rich in tinatawag na ECGC, which is anti-cancer. Pangontra sa cancer. Yumminess. Pero hindi lang para sa cancer yon. Marami pa siyang benefits na maganda sa katawan. So, kung ikaw walang sakit na cancer, uminom ka nun. 1 tablespoon a day. Pwede na. Yum. This sweet potato is not bad. I mean, I like my type of sweet potato. I think it's a lot sweeter than this one. Ito yung nila dito, kamote na very common dito sa Australia, na ginagamit sa bake. Yan, bake, what you call that?
Yeah,
Baked veggies? Baked dinner.
Baked veggies, yeah.
Yung bang nagro-roast ka lang ng karne, tapos magro-roast ka din ng ganito sa oven. Bang sama-sama na sila, mo sa oil, ganyan, asin, or mga herbs. Tapos ilalagay mo siya sa baking tray, tapos mo sa oven na ganun. Bake na yun. Yun, ganito. Mas matamis yung ating, klase ng kamote. Matubig. Sarap. There's more over there, huh? You want some more? There's more. Ang dami nang naluto. Nung maluto, ang dami niya. Kasi, ano ba to? More than 1 kilo yata itong, beef. Tapos, yung ang daming gulay. May saging pa. May kamote pa. Kaya dumami talaga siya. Oh, ilan yung aking pieces ng karne? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Marami na to. Kaya sa akin, isang kainan.
Very hot. Yummy though. Banana. You wouldn't think all this would go together, but it's beautiful.
I think the beef needs more cooking. Medyo,
You normally stew it.
yeah, kinapos na kami sa oras. Kaya ang beef medyo maligat-ligat pa. Makunat-kunat pa ng konti. Pwede na, kaya naman ng ngipin. Pero mas masarap yung bang isang ganyan mo lang, naghihiwa-hiwalay na sila.
It's a nice flavoured beef, but it needs to be cooked well.
I mean, it's cooked. You can eat it, but
Yeah,
it's a lot better.
Normally is.
Yeah, a lot better if you cook more.
The flavour's there. Get your exercising.
Exercise ng Joe. Sarap. Kalain mo yun? Nakagawa ako. Kutsero.
I love these sort of dishes the next day.
Yeah.
Flavours really
All the time.
beautiful now, but it explodes this following day.
He means the flavor explodes the following day.
Yeah, not the meal. All that nitroglycerin.
This is one good meal, just one bowl.
Yeah, it's nice. Filling.
No need rice.
Got a big range of veggies too. Haven't you?
Well, there you go guys. Hindi ko kayo iniinggit. Talagang, ito lang ang naisipan kong gawin naman sa beef. Kasi palagi na lang kaldereta, nilaga, ganon. So sabi ko, ito naman gagawin ko. Maiba lang. So, good thing, natsambahan ko ang tamang timpla. Kailan lang medyo konting kulo pa dito sa karne. But it's okay. So, I'll see you next time. Bye, God bless!